Hello, and welcome to day 6 of your daily English speaking practice. Today, we will focus on talking about your daily routine in English. This is one of the most useful topics for beginners because you can use it every day. You will listen to me and repeat each sentence. Speak slowly, clearly, and with confidence. Imagine you are really describing your own life. Let's begin. Morning routine. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7 a.m. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I get dressed. I comb my hair. I eat breakfast. I drink coffee. I drink tea. I pack my bag. I check my phone. I leave the house. I go to school. I go to work. I walk to school. I take the bus to work. I drive my car to the office. I ride my bike to school. Longer morning sentences. I usually wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth and wash my face before breakfast. I like to eat eggs and bread for breakfast. Sometimes I drink orange juice. I check my emails before I leave the house. I leave home at 8 a.m. and go to work. Practice questions. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. Do you eat breakfast every day? Yes, I always eat breakfast. No, sometimes I skip breakfast. How do you go to school? I go to school by bus. How do you go to work? I drive my car to work. Afternoon routine. I eat lunch at noon. I eat lunch with my friends. I usually eat rice and vegetables. Sometimes I eat pasta. I drink water with my lunch. After lunch, I go back to work. After lunch, I study English. I read books in the afternoon. I take a short nap after lunch. I check my messages in the afternoon. I attend my classes. I work on my computer. I write in my notebook. I learn new English words. I practice speaking with a friend. Longer afternoon sentences. In the afternoon, I usually feel a little tired. I drink tea to stay awake. I study English for 1 hour every afternoon. I like to review new vocabulary. I sometimes watch English videos on YouTube. I take notes when I listen. I try to use new words in sentences. Evening routine. I go home at 6 p.m. I relax after work. I change my clothes. I wash my hands and face. I help my family prepare dinner. I cook rice and vegetables. I set the table. I eat dinner with my family. We talk about our day. After dinner, I wash the dishes. I watch TV. I read a book. I study English again in the evening. I listen to music. I check social media. I call my friends. I play games. I take a shower before bed. I brush my teeth again. I go to bed at 10 p.m. I sleep for 8 hours. Longer evening sentences. In the evening, I like to relax with my family. We eat dinner together and talk about our day. Sometimes we watch a movie. After dinner, I practice English by reading a short story. I try to speak English out loud. Before bed, I listen to calming music. I prepare my bag for the next day. I write my plans in a notebook. Finally, I go to bed and sleep well. Daily habits. I usually wake up at the same time every day. I drink water in the morning. I exercise 3 times a week. I read for 30 minutes a day. I write in my journal every night. I study English every day. I practice speaking English with my friends. I try to learn 5 new words every day. I always brush my teeth in the morning and at night. I sometimes go for a walk in the evening? Questions about habits. What do you usually eat for breakfast? I usually eat bread and eggs. Do you study English every day? Yes, I study English every day. No, I study English 3 times a week. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 p.m. Do you exercise in the morning? Yes, I exercise in the morning. No, I exercise in the evening. Dialogue practice. Repeat this short conversation. Hi, what time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. And you? I wake up at 6 a.m. What do you do after you wake up? I brush my teeth and take a shower. Do you eat breakfast? Yes, I usually eat cereal. How about you? I eat bread and eggs. What do you do in the evening? I watch TV and then I study English. That's good. I also study English in the evening. Motivational sentences. I can describe my daily routine in English. I can talk about my morning, afternoon, and evening. I can answer questions about my habits. I practice English every day. I feel more confident when I speak. I am improving step by step. I enjoy learning new words. I use English in my daily life. I am proud of my progress. Extended practice. Slow repetition. Let's repeat some sentences slowly to practice shadowing. I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I eat breakfast with my family. I go to work by bus. At noon, I eat lunch with my coworkers. In the evening, I cook dinner at home. I watch TV before bed. I study English for 30 minutes every night. I sleep well and feel rested. Longer role play. Let's practice a longer conversation. Hi, what's your daily routine like? I usually wake up at 7 a.m. Then I brush my teeth and eat breakfast. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat bread, eggs, and sometimes fruit. That sounds healthy. How do you go to school? I take the bus every morning. When do you usually come home? I come home around 5 p.m. What do you do in the evening? I eat dinner with my family, then I study English. Do you watch TV at night? Yes, I sometimes watch a movie before bed. What time do you go to sleep? I go to bed at 10 p.m. and sleep for 8 hours. That's a good routine. Yes, it helps me stay healthy and happy. Motivational ending. Repeat after me. I can speak about my daily routine in English. I can share my habits with others. I can ask and answer questions about daily life. I practice English every day. I am improving my speaking skills. I enjoy learning English step by step. I believe in myself. I am proud of my progress. Great work today. You practiced describing your daily routine in English for the whole day, morning, afternoon, and evening. These are useful sentences you can use in real conversations. Come back tomorrow for day 7 of your speaking challenge. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and always believe in yourself. See you next time.